Hey, let me show you how you can unlock your Redmi Pad 2nd generation when you forgot your screen lock. So first of all, you will have to use two buttons combination, the power key and the volume up button. So take a look, click and hold, and now just slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds until the device turns off, and right now we have to use two buttons combination. There's the power key over here and the volume up button, so the same. Click on the both buttons, and when the Mi logo appears, you will have to release the power key and keep holding volume up only. Now just be patient and wait until the device go into the recovery mode. There we go. And now just remember that when you make that, you will lose all of your data. So we are gonna perform the factory reset by using recovery mode. It will remove the screen lock from your device, but also it will remove all data, photos, videos, screenshots, music, contacts, everything will be removed. So now swipe by using volume down button, click on the power key, scroll to the wipe all data, click on the power key, scroll to the confirm, click on the power key, and now there's the reset process. After it hits 100%, you can click to go back to the menu by power key. Now select reboot and select reboot to system. Thanks to this, the device will turn on with the first setup screen, and all you have to do is just to simply input your Google account. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.